In this video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal account in Saudi Arabia step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official PayPal website, then make sure the country is set to Saudi Arabia. Tap Sign Up and choose whether you want a personal account for online shopping and receiving payments, or a business account if you're selling products or services. Next, enter your mobile number in KSA, and you'll receive a verification code by SMS. Type in the code, then fill out your name, one email address, and a secure password. This email will be your login and the main way people can send you money. Now, you'll be asked for your address and other personal details. Make sure they match your official documents and your bank or card information. After that, open the confirmation email from PayPal and click the verification link to activate your account. Then go to Wallet and add a debit or credit card issued in Saudi Arabia so you can pay online and receive withdrawals where supported. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.